In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Microsoft Outlook. We'll use Outlook on the web so you can follow along from any browser. By the end, you'll know how to open a new message, highlight important text so it stands out, and turn that highlighted text into a clickable link. Start by going to outlook.live.com in your browser and sign in if you're prompted. Once you're in, make sure you're in the Mail view. If you're looking at another section like Calendar or People, switch back to Mail so you can compose a message. Next, click New Mail. This opens a compose window on the right side of the screen or in a new tab depending on your settings. In the message area, type a few words or a sentence you want to emphasize. This will be the text we'll highlight and later link to a website. Think of this like drafting your message first, then styling it for clarity. Now highlight your word or phrase by selecting it with your mouse. With the text selected, look at the formatting toolbar above the message body. Click the text highlight color icon, the one that looks like a highlighter pen, and pick a color that keeps the text readable, like yellow. You should see the background behind your selected text change immediately. If you don't see the highlight icon, expand the formatting options. Sometimes they're tucked behind a more formatting button. A quick tip: use highlighting sparingly so your message remains clear and professional. With your text still selected, let's add a link to it. At the top of the Compose window, click the option to add file to this item. This opens the Insert tools. From there, click Link. Using this path brings up the link dialog while keeping your highlighted text selected as the link text, which is convenient. In the link window, enter the web URL you want people to visit. Make sure you paste the full address starting with HTTP or HTTPS so Outlook recognizes it properly. If you're not sure, open the site in another tab and copy the address directly from your browser to avoid typos. Finally, click OK. Your selected highlighted text is now also a clickable link. Hover over it to preview the destination, or send yourself a quick test email to confirm everything looks and works as expected. If you ever need to change the color, select the text again and pick a different highlight color, or choose no color to remove it. That's it. Your text stands out with a clean highlight and points readers to exactly where they need to go. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.